2 days of heavy rain has led to flooding across the Ohio Valley, leading to dangerous conditions on many roadways. A stop sign is barely sticking out of the water in Murray, Kentucky, and this aerial view shows streets and parking lots flooded with water. In Putnam County, West Virginia, water engulfed this car after it went off the road in rising water. The person who shot this video said the driver was able to get out. Both of those areas picked up over 3 inches of rain. They are among countless other areas hit hard over the weekend. In Lawrence County, Kentucky, a person rescued from their submerged car is in the hospital for observation. And in Elkton, Kentucky, officials ordered some residents to evacuate when floodwaters began entering homes.